Machining operations can benefit from briquetting. PRAB Dualpak Briquetters compact metal chips and swarf into near-solid cylindrical-shaped briquettes that can be efficiently remelted, increasing the value of your scrap. The risk of smoke or fire is greatly reduced because up to 99% of all fluids, both hazardous and non-hazardous, have been removed. Here's how the Dualpak Briquetter works. First, metal chips are loaded into the chip hopper. Augers located on the floor, to the side, and in front of the metal chip hopper transport the chips from the hopper to the infeed auger. When the chips arrive at the infeed auger, a metered volume of chips are fed into the compression chamber. Once the chamber is loaded, two opposing hydraulic cylinders are actuated and the metal chips are compacted into a dense, consistent briquette. During the process, residual fluid is removed due to the intense pressure exerted on the chips and is collected into a containment tray. After the compression cycle has completed, the newly formed briquette is ejected from the compression chamber onto the discharge conveyor.